everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. We have the Little Red Kitchen Cookie Tower. We know you guys love this stuff, and so we ordered a whole bunch of stuff and maybe some new stuff. I don't even remember, but we're going to unbox everything and see what's in here. Let's go. All right, I'm going to unstack my tower. Look at these. So good. Lots of stuff here. Little Red Kitchen. We're going to start with the little baby box. Find out what's in the baby box. You guys blow out when we sell these. So my suggestion is
Well, they don't blow out.
Yeah, the inventory blows
right.
out.
If they blew out, that's a completely different video. Not really our space. We're not looking to see that, know that.
Listen, we don't want you to explode.
No.
No combustible situations at all.
No.
All right.
No.
So the inventory blows out. This is raw, unedited.
Yeah. Yes, absolutely, everybody.
The inventory blows out, so I would suggest if you want any of these, you run to hookedonpickin.com and go get them, because they should all be in stock now. What is here? Let's find out. So we have bubble wrap. Two little boxes in here. What kind are they? I'm going to pull them out and look. They are, this one is peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So there's 6 in each box. So this is awesome. It's 2 of their most amazing peanut butter cookies with jelly in the middle. And they're enormous. Look how big these are.
Smell fantastic.
They're like the size of my head, almost.
They are the size of your head.
Yes.
It's true.
So peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I'm actually just going to leave all the different kinds right out here. Yep. So at the end, we can kind of preview. And then I think this box is the same thing. Maybe? Yes, peanut butter and jelly sandwich as well. So we have 12 so far. I know we double ordered a lot of stuff just simply because you guys love it. And we don't want to be sold out. We want you to have it. Little Red Kitchen is an interesting company because they do made to order. So when we order it, they make it right then and then ship it. So the turnaround time is a little bit longer than some of our other things that we order. But it's fresh.
Mm-hmm.
So let's see. We've got... What else do we have in here? More boxes here. What kind is this? The suspense is killing me. Ooh, here's our regular peanut butter ones.
Those look good.
Look at how thick they are. I mean, just massive.
Mm-hmm.
Peanut butter cookies. So there's 6 in there. Let's see what else this is.
I'm trying to remember if I ordered any new kinds or not.
Well, I don't know.
I always try to order whatever kind that they have.
Okay, this one is also peanut butter. I don't want to get all the way out of the box.
And they also do seasonal cookies. So when I found the company, it was closer to Christmas, so we got a couple of seasonal with peppermint, I think, what it was.
Which I don't think they're not in stock unless it's Christmas time.
I think so. I think that's how they do it.
So this one is also peanut butter cookies. So these sell so fast.
Yep.
And we have gotten so many good comments and reviews off the peanut butter cookies that we decided to order extra of those.
Right. I try to double everything that sold out so quickly.
Yep. And then we just did a reorder to replenish the other ones. Okay, what are these? These might be peanut butter as well. Let's see. Usually the peanut butter and the peanut butter and jelly sandwich comes in boxes like these. Yeah, here's another peanut butter. So yeah, this is definitely a double order of peanut butter.
I think, what is it, 6 in a box?
Yeah, 6 in a box. These are probably the sandwich ones, is my guess.
I believe Little Red Kitchen is
No, this is peanut butter as well.
That's peanut butter as well?
You triple ordered this one because I think this one sold out literally about an hour after we put the video
Could have
live.
been. Could have been.
So we ordered lots of extras. This one is peanut butter. Yes, so we have actually 18.
So they'll all be on the store by the time this video airs, right?
Yes, they will all. Yep. They're all. Just run to straight to Hooked on Pickin to get these. Yep. Like run. You burn the calories while you're running to Hooked on Pickin.
That's right.
You know,
at least run with your fingers.
With your fingers. All right. Now these are usually boxed a little bit differently, and then we had boxes that we put them in to keep them stored and organized. I might go get those. All right, let's see. Yeah, so these are always just laid out like this.
I'm ready.
These are the gluten-free ones. They look like that. I'm actually going to run back and go get our boxes.
Go for it.
A little bit easier. And you guys have been asking about gluten-free.
Mm-hmm. They do have a shelf life. We haven't had to run into that too much. This one's pretty good. This would be May 16th of 2022. Sometimes, though, they will be a 3 to 4 week shelf life. Actually, I think it's a 4-week shelf life when we get them. So, we have not run into a major issue with that because, you know, we don't get them very often. And when we do, they sell out so quickly. So, like any kind of food product that you get, that's always a concern if you're trying to sell food. You're always looking for shelf life. What's the expiration? And then, you know, it's the standard thing about that. It is best by. And most of you have noticed that sell food, they've changed their standards. It's not expiration date. It's best by. So, yes, you could still eat them after that. You're not going to get sick or anything, but it's best by the flavor, if you will, is the issue.
So the Amaretti, you saw, are gluten-free giant cookies. And these sell out really, really fast. So, because it's one of the few gluten-free items that we have. Although we did find, we're going to get some sugar-free Jelly Bellies. Mama's Kitchen makes us gluten-free items. And so if you're ever interested in that, Mama's Kitchen, we usually only provide on the fire sales. And so if you ever want Mama's Kitchen and you're never able to make it to a fire sale, if you would just send me an email, I could probably have her make extra batches if you know how many you want of each kind of cookie. And then it'll be available that day prior to the fire sale, because that's when all of her stuff gets delivered, is the day prior to the fire sale. And that way we can go ahead and just make you an invoice. All right, here's a new cookie. Lemon sugar cookie.
Awesome. I thought I heard the door for a second.
I think I still... I don't know. I thought I did too.
Yeah.
Lemon sugar cookie there.
That's good.
Look how huge those cookies are.
Those are good cookies.
Yeah, they are amazing.
We've gotten really good reviews from every single cookie that we've done, so that's been good. Like, literally, we have not had anybody say, I hated that cookie. Yep. That's
always a positive.
That is a very positive thing.
We would not reorder it if it was a terrible cookie, believe me.
Occasionally when we sell the popcorn, we'll have people say, yeah, that wasn't my favorite, or I didn't like that flavor. Yeah. But the cookies has not been that way.
Well, who doesn't love a cookie?
I know, that's true. I guess if you're going to buy a cookie that you already know you're going to like it, for the most part, but you know how it is. I feel like every cookie has a little bit of a different taste.
We must have sold out of these fast, because I feel like this whole box is lemon sugar
Anything
cookies.
that we just blitzed out, I ordered as many as I possibly could. And apparently, this is full of lemon sugar cookies.
I'm waiting to find a different kind of cookie.
Oh. Nope, that's still lemon sugar.
I think we need a new inventory box for lemon sugar.
That looks different. There's another one down there.
That's something different.
Yeah, that might be a completely different one. I don't remember that one.
I gotta I gotta get past the lemon sugar cookies.
You're amazing, Heather. Isn't she amazing, everybody?
Thanks. she makes good cookies too. She doesn't have time to make cookies. Our daughter makes. Lexi, is the most phenomenal cookie maker ever.
Yep.
Like, literally, the ladies at church will not eat anybody else's cookies but hers. She did this really cool thing at Mother's Day last year where she gave containers of cookie dough and a spoon, like, literally to all the moms at church. And now the moms call her their cookie dealer because it's so good.
She's good. She's just so busy with school and sports and stuff, or we'd sell her cookies and just make $1 million on them.
Maybe in the summer we will.
On her cookies.
All right. I think I finally got all of the lemon sugar cookies out of there.
We have a few.
A few.
That's awesome.
A few lemon sugar cookies. All right. What are these? These are new.
Yeah, I think so.
This is a butter and brown sugar kind of brownie cookie.
Butter and brown sugar. That looks fantastic.
So I'm going to leave that right there.
Is that a blondie? Do they call that a blondie for a brownie?
Yes, it says one blondie right there.
Well, there you go.
So, yes, it is a blondie. Good question, Paul.
That's awesome. I can read.
I can't.
It's right there in the middle of the circle. Right. I didn't even see it.
I didn't either.
That's awesome.
All right, so we have blondies.
That's good.
Put that down there. I'm going to unload the Blondies. Let's see how many we have of these. These sold really fast. This was our new one last time.
Okay, so we've already done this one before?
Yes, we have had this one before, but it was brand new last time. The last time we got Little Red Kitchen, it was the first time we had this flavor. So
I think with ordering as much as I did, hopefully that will keep it so that people can...
Yes, and we're going to be a lot quicker. Now that we know the turnaround time for Little Red Kitchen is a little bit longer, we'll be a little bit quicker at ordering. So sorry about it being sold out for such a long period of time. We did have still some Trippet chocolate cookies that I think we might have just sold the last few of those. But that's still well within the range, because I think we've only had those just like a week or so. Yeah, maybe a couple of weeks. And they have quite a long shelf life. So
I'm just looking over here. I see plenty of boxes that are empty.
Yes.
Plenty of these boxes that are empty. So I'm kind of wondering, did we not get our full order? And that happens. This particular company that I order from, I order through Tundra, Little Red Kitchen. And occasionally what happens is they'll refund me, but they do it so quickly that I don't notice that.
Well,
I don't know if that makes sense.
What happens is we look when we finally get it and realize we didn't get a lot of the flavors.
So far right now we've got the peanut butter and jelly sandwich, the peanut butter cookies, the amaretti cookie, the lemon sugar cookie, and the blondie. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yep.
So we'll see what's in this last box here.
We'll have to look at our invoices.
Well, I see s'mores, so that's a good one.
That is a good one.
A little bit different one, a little bit more chocolatey ones.
Yeah. But that way, the nice thing about keeping the boxes that we have, we know which ones we're sold out of easily. So, yep, here's s'mores.
As soon as they sell out, I try to order another. Yeah, they are thick cookies.
So these are really cool because they're basically like chocolate chip cookies, but then they have a marshmallow melted in the middle. I wish they didn't have this right in the middle so you could see it. But if you go online, you can see a great picture of it.
Let's see if I can see right there. You can kind of tell
the little white marshmallow in there,
which just looks amazing. Let's be honest.
Okay, it looks like you probably only ordered
4/19 of 2022.
There's only one batch of s'mores.
One batch of s'mores. Okay.
Yeah. So that's good. That means we have extra flavors.
Good.
Just hope we don't sell out of the s'mores so quickly. All right. Then we have...
Yeah, I think what I did is if it was a little bit of a slower seller, I only ordered one. Or
batch.
It could be that they only fulfilled one order.
One order instead
that
of
happens too.
Batch, yeah. Okay, so this is the signature chocolate chip. These are phenomenal as well. Just the massive size of those things.
They're good.
Yeah. So there's
try those between ice cream.
Yes, take some vanilla ice cream and you can make those amazing the ice cream sandwiches that you get almost at like
my goodness.
The ice cream trucks sell them or
they'll be better than any ice cream truck.
But what am I thinking of? The Schwans, and then also the amusement parks sell them like that. That's what I was trying to think of.
Of course, those are like $20 or something.
Yeah, this is a lot cheaper than $20.
They're always expensive when you buy them at other places.
$4.99, $5.99,
something like that. I can't quite remember right now.
Just go to Little Red Kitchen Cookies. It's in the snacks category. We also have other snacks. We also are going to be getting a lot of Jelly Bellies in soon. Yep. Because we just got back from ASD Market Week, and we actually are allowed to sell Jelly Bellies now.
We're going to sell every kind of Jelly Belly out there is what I'm going to go for.
Yep. We have some sugar-free ones. We have the regular, all the regular flavors.
Apparently there's caffeinated jelly beans, too, for energy.
Energy ones.
I actually didn't make an order of that, but I'm thinking about it.
Yeah. I feel like I need caffeinated Jelly Bellies right now.
Yep.
So, we're still recovering from our trip. Look at that. Okay, yeah, you must have ordered a
triple batch of chocolate chip. Yeah.
Of chocolate chip because
Makes
they did sell so fast. Oh my goodness, it smells amazing. They're sealed really, really well in these containers.
Yeah. Nice packaging.
Yep.
Simple packaging, but still really nice.
Yep. We don't need anything crazy. You're just going to open it up and eat it.
I know.
All right.
That looks like another one down there, too.
Is there another one in there?
Or a different kind, you mean?
Different kind, yes. Okay. Just trying to make sure I get all the chocolate chips. All right, these are the Molasses Spice. These, okay, we have had so many comments about these.
Yes.
That they taste like their grandma's molasses cookies. We get that comment from multiple different people. Like emails, they take the time to write a long email about these taste like the kind my grandma used to make. Right. So these are Molasses Spice cookies. Really, really Yummy. So it's got flour, brown sugar, butter, molasses, eggs, orange pumpkin pie spice, cinnamon, so that's cinnamon, ginger, clove, and nutmeg, ginger, baking soda, kosher salt. So amazing.
Yep.
And they're so soft and tasty. So, and molasses cookies.
Well, it's not like a huge company, so I think you still get that home,
mom and pop.
Yeah,
flavor.
home cooking style, right?
Yeah.
Like a little bakery around the corner instead of something you go to Walmart and buy.
That's mass produced.
Yeah.
So I think that's probably why they taste so good too.
Probably why they remind you of your grandma's cookies too.
Yes.
Could be even the same recipe for all you know.
Yeah. All right, and that might... Oh, I see another kind down there. That's good.
Good deal.
It's like a treasure hunt for cookies.
Always good to offer choices.
Choices. Lots of choices. And we'll show you all the choices at the end.
Oh, man. I wish you guys were here and you could smell this. This is fantastic.
It is fantastic. We always keep all these sealed in a climate-controlled space. Yep. So...
No wonder when we come over to the office, we're always hungry.
Yep.
Got chocolate everywhere.
All right.
Cookies. Oh, we also are going to have cotton candy. Found a cotton candy company.
Yep, and for those of you who've been looking for Hammond's chocolate bars, they'll be on there very soon.
Yep.
We did just get an
got
order
that
of those.
delivered
Okay.
here.
I think this is the last kind in this box.
What is that kind?
Dark chocolate sea salt brownie.
There we go. So we got a blondie, and a brownie.
The yummy goodness of that.
Good deal.
So...
That's it on that.
Yep. So we're actually only missing 2 different kinds of cookies, and one of them is a seasonal. The double chocolate peppermint cookies.
Yep.
And then actually the triple chocolate cookies, we just sold out of those. So that would be why they weren't in this order.
Could have been.
Because those did not sell as fast, and so we probably actually didn't order them. So I believe we probably got every single kind that we ordered. Now, whether or not we got them in the amounts, we're going to go ahead and double check that.
Yep.
And make sure we got the proper amounts. But we did basically replenish every single flavor except for 2. And the one flavor just sold out literally just a few days ago.
Do you have them all on here? I'll go through them real quick.
Yes. So we have...
We've got peanut butter and jelly sandwich, peanut butter cookies. We have amaretti. That's the gluten-free. Looks amazing. Lemon sugar. There's our blondie, the butter and brown sugar blondie. We've got s'mores. We've got signature chocolate chip, molasses spice, and dark chocolate sea salt brownie.
Yes. So now that you're really, really hungry and your mouth is watering, run over to Hooked on Pickin with your fingers and order you some cookies. So just find it in the snacks category or Little Red Kitchen cookies you can search for. And you'll be able to find all of the flavors that we just unboxed. So hopefully you guys had a blast. Make sure you watch some of our other videos from just coming back from ASC Market Week. They've been really, really fun. And we kind of talk about all the fun things that we bought there. And of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.